Welcome to LPR365, Scharfe-Sicht's intelligent license plate recognition system. Discover how LPR365 operates seamlessly to revolutionize vehicle management. Our AI-powered cameras capture license plates with precision, while advanced algorithms identify and read plates in real time. Captured data is securely transmitted to a centralized server for processing and storage. Immediate alerts are generated for specific plates, enhancing security and response times. Access control is effectively managed based on real-time recognition data, ensuring seamless operations. Users can easily monitor, control, and manage LPR data through our intuitive web portal. Comprehensive reports and in-depth analytics provide valuable insights into traffic patterns and vehicle activity. Compatible with our special AI series LPR cameras. Installing LPR365 is simple. First, install the special AI series LPR cameras at strategic locations for optimal license plate capture. Next, set up Scharfe-Sicht AI NVRs to store and process captured data efficiently. Install a PC or server dedicated to running the LPR365 system for seamless operation. Finally, build the network infrastructure connection for seamless communication between devices. Unlock the power of intelligent license plate recognition with LPR365 from Scharfe-Sicht.